Hello students, once again welcome back to the online class again. Now after completing our second part of this chapter number 7, that is more on MS Excel 2010, we'll continue our third video session class of chapter number 7, more on MS Excel 2010. Now in the last class we have completed up to alignment. Okay, some formatting techniques we have done. Now let's continue our chapter with the next topic, that is merge and center. Mamangda alignment gi left alignment, right alignment gi mamangda tawre amangi second video session class id second part of chapter number 7 more on MS Excel 2010 gi chapter number 7 gi second part ko ikre sina third video sina third part niko sina third part of chapter number 7 ni koi siki buji ho sida merge and center. Now let's see what is this merge and center. Two or more adjacent cells can be merged to create a single cell using the merge and center option. Now follow the steps given below to merge and center align the data. Now what we are going to do is we are going to merge, that is combine, merge. Okay, merge means what? To combine, to join two or more adjacent cells. Okay, thangnaba cells singsi kadoba merge to ba haidi combine to ba punjanba ama to ina punjanba cell ani natraga ani dagi henba cell singsi ama khatang oina punjandoini ko. Now let's see the steps here. Select the range of cells you wish to merge and align, center align. We have to select the cell which we want to merge or combine. Now click on the home tab in the align group, in the alignment group. In the alignment group here on the MS Excel you can find in the alignment group, here is the, this is the merge and center option. Okay, click on the merge and center option as shown in figure number 17 here. This is the merge and center option. Now you have to just click here, the cell will be merged. The cell which you have or the range of cell which you have selected will be combined, will be merged. Now applying border, how to apply border. Now let's see here, applying border. Steps are given here. Select the cell or range of cell you wish to apply a border to. Click on this. For this also we have to go to the home tab here. Then instead of going to the alignment group you have to go to the font group. Okay, in the font group the borders arrow button here. Now you have to click here in this arrow. This is the border option. Okay, so in the arrow down here you have to just click here. Then after that the border list appears. Click the border you wish to apply. The border list appears. Now you can click on the border you wish to apply. An example of border application. Now this is an example. We have applied the border here. Border hapa koi cell da Excel da iriba box laiba singdu cell ko here. Cell singdu ko na hayeng print tong matam tholo ba na ko na sigi border se table ki style da ko na sigi border se hape ha ga di si border se changaga border se apply to godane select to matung da. Now adding a background. As you can see here you can add colorful colors. Okay, many colors according to your desire. Okay, which color you want you can add on a background color. Now select the cell or the range of cell. First of all we have to select the cell or the range of cell which you want to add background color. Then after that you have to go to the home tab, and in the font group you have to go to the font group, and in the font group click the fill color button, arrow down. This is the fill color. Okay, now you have to click on this arrow down here and select the required color, and you can select the required color. There will be many colors given here. Color mayam pirangani dagi nangi apam color do kambiro dugo sida add option video. Okay, now after this let's see the auto format option. Now there is a built-in collection of predefined layouts in Excel. These layouts have colored backgrounds, borders, and attractive text formatting, and can be easily applied to a range of data. Follow the steps given below to apply auto format button. on the quick access toolbar. Now you can see this auto format button here, given here in the quick access toolbar. Click on the customize quick access toolbar button. Here is the button here, customize quick access toolbar. Okay, now after going here, what you have to do, you have to click on the more commands option from the list that appears. The Excel dialog box will open, shown in figure number 20. Figure number 20b here. You have to go to the, from this customize quick access toolbar. When you click here, a drop down menu will be given like this here. From this you have to choose the more command here, given here more command you have to choose, and from this more command you have to add the this auto format button. Okay, so that you can see on the quick access toolbar. Now on the choose command list box arrow, and then click on all commands from the list that appears in figure number shown in figure number C here, figure number 20C. All commands can be running. All commands khala matungda the auto format option under all commands manungda auto format option zero mani sida auto format option silere duga click OK to be click OK. The auto format button will be added on the quick access toolbar. Quick access ta when hapani adu hapa matungda ito bokoina follow the steps. Steps yang to be select the cell or the range of cells, select to be. Okay, you wish to apply auto format, then click on the auto format button on the quick access toolbar. Now we have already put the auto format option on the quick access toolbar. Okay, the steps just we have done here. And after that, from the quick access toolbar, it will display a variety of options given here like this. This is the auto format. It's already given by the computer. See auto format has it, and already mano computer same preset or later. Now after selecting the range of cells or the select or a single cell you wish to apply auto format, click on the auto format button on the quick access toolbar. Click to be, then it will display a variety of options given here. Okay, from here you select the desired option from the available patterns, whichever pattern you want, whichever design you want, you can choose it from here. And after that click OK to apply the setting. That's it. Okay, this is how we apply a auto format option. Now create a following worksheet in Excel. Use the auto format feature to format it. You can create like this using the auto format button. If you have computer at home, not only this design, you can create many different designs also. There is many different options given here in the auto format option. Now erase the auto format by clicking on the undo button. You can use the undo button also here. Whichever auto format option, whichever design you apply, you can undo it and you can make it another one. Can you now format the sheet on your own again without using auto format? Now without using auto format sijanaraga hapani ahambda aduga undo tokthoni lokthoni the auto format yaudana si chap manana semba mo haiba yengu have. Okay, you can do this as home assignment. Okay, at home. Now after that, formatting numbers. Now number formatting implies changing the appearance of numbers without changing their values, such as adding percent symbol, that is percentage, comma, decimal place, dollar sign. Let us take an example. To display a number 10567 in a cell, say B2. In the cell B2, you are about to enter a number that is 10567. Okay, let us assume this number we are going to enter in the cell B2. कोई B2 है बस cells data कोई जैसे कि 10567 से हम थागे है ना खलगदी as 10,000. After 10 you can put a comma here, then 56.00 after decimal point. There are two digits given here. Follow the steps. Now let's see how to apply this. Now select the cell V2 and click on the home tab. Now you have to click on the home tab, then in the cells group click in the format button and then format cells. You have to click on the format button here in the home tab. Okay, you have to click on the, this is the home tab. Okay, from here you have to click on the format button here, then you have to go to the number here. This is the number option given here in the format cell dialog box. The format cell dialog box will appear as shown in figure number B here like this. Here you have to choose the number options given here, and after that select the number in the number tab. This is the number tab. This is alignment tab, font tab, border tab, fill tab, and precision tab. You have to click on the number tab and choose the number from here, and after that enter 2 in the decimal places box. It will display the number with 2 decimal places. Okay, decimal places decimal places. You can click here 2. It will take 2 digits after decimal point. Decimal point say the 0.00 ani lai je decimal point ji matungda digit ani lo habagi ni khoi lai je ahum hapagana ahum lakadani. Okay, click in use thousand separator checkbox. Separate numbers in thousands by a comma. Say the thousand separator se khoi na khanbirani. Say the thousand separator say the use thousand separator comma lai je. Say the checkbox se khoi click tick tobirani. Aduna habadi say the 10,000 kudingi lai se 10,000 12,000 1,000 8,000 kudingi comma couple of thousand page kudingi adugi ne khoi say the checkbox se click tobidai se and click OK. Duga click OK toroga apply to loy. Now you can see the value 10,567 after 10,000. After 10 there is a comma here and 567 point after decimal there is a 2 digit here is displayed in cell B2. However, the formula bar still displays the plain number formula bar the smiley token. Okay, but in the cell B2 the smiley token. So in figure number C 21C the so say the 10,000 formula bar the 10,567 token ni formula bar. This is the formula bar. This is the cell B2. That is, it is in the B column and in the second row. Then na B column lega second row le bagi ko na si B2 when tholi si cell se means sidadi. Then after 10 gi matung da comma amle ni 567 point decimal gi matung da digit ani bok lower ni 00 lai. Okay. Then after that, creating series autofill. Now this is because the change is on the only way the number is presented in the cell and not in the actual value. They can change the row. Magi number do present of the change. So whenever number formatting can be applied to a cell, a column, or a row, a range of cells or to the entire worksheet. So select over. Now creating series autofill. Autofill the series command one gani koina. Suppose if you want to type January, February, the month of the year. Now no need for typing all these things. And if you want to type a serial number from 1 to 50, now you have to type all the, no need for typing all the numbers from 1 to 50, 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 50 bong the vida January, February, December box adum type of the vida series when a form of autofill season autofill handle season. Now if the values that you enter in one or two adjacent cells match an existing entry or follow a pattern, Excel will automatically enter the remaining characters of the series for you. This feature of Excel is called autofill. Automatically fill. Now enter January and cell A1. Now A column first row is the A cell January. Now place the mouse pointer on the bottom right corner of the cell. It will change a plus sign. Say the click to matamda sigi makhagi right say the dot amalay ni ko muraga adugi dot to adubu koina autofill handle hai je the koina mouse pro matamda sigi plus sign je ola kaneba. Now click and drag the mouse to cell A12. Sigi click to hold the left mouse button, then click and drag. I did number you can release on the 12th row the now automatically this after January, February, March, April okay. Now using AutoSum feature AutoSum season apply to when you can use the AutoSum button in Excel to quickly sum the values in a row or a column in an Excel sheet worksheet, the AutoSum button is located in the editing group of the home tab shown in figure number 23 here. This is the editing group. Okay, đây là editing này chứ, editing group sẽ là cái đó AutoSum đó sẽ lấy đấy, AutoSum sẽ đó click to cái này con. Create a worksheet as shown in the first table in figure number 23B. The yok banyak create to be Roma 23B the next in the cell in which the sum is to be placed. Suppose in this case B8 and color je koina click on the AutoSum button, press enter key and see the result. Silai de seda koina sida di koina B8 hai se total log den seda. Now fruits number. Now this all the number of the fruits we are going to add here. So you have to click on the B8 cell. Okay, then click on the AutoSum button se nambiro. AutoSum button se namatanda automatically all these numbers will be added. 238 are an example of AutoSum application is given here. Okay, now you can also use autofill tool to calculate column wise. When column wise calculate to mutam do season abe when row when season agi so pai je when row season abu la kani row season abu column season abu ya. Now do not use too many font styles in a single worksheet. It may distract you from reading the contents. Use colors wherever necessary. Take a color printout of your worksheet only if it is required. Otherwise, it will be a waste of paper as well as the cartridge ink of your printer. Koina worksheet sem matamda font style singsi adi font face style do yam season arunu yam season aragadi readers da confuse agani hadi attraction do mangi na seda koina just in this case I'll tell you in this case you can also use autofill tool to calculate column wise sum hai seda sigi autofill hai chidang koina bold ohele bold ohele nina sigi autofill tool je column wise calculate to season abi ya koina row wise to given na either rows lazy second row third row fourth row sim row wise ni koina sida add to bani. Okay, mana column wise when to busu ya have sida autofill je koina sida bold ohele je mana koina too many font season agani confuse kani and font to too many season na phai hai. Okay, now here ends our chapter number 7. More on MS Excel 2010 lore saida. Now let's see the exercises given here. Now this chapter number 7, once again I'm telling you this chapter number 7 is also included in your second terminal examination. Okay, coming second terminal examination, the chapter number syllabus is chapter number 4, 5, 6 and 7. So chapter number 7 is your go. Now take the correct option. Which command reverses the last action performed? The answer is undo. And second one is which shortcut key will you use to select the whole worksheet? Answer is Control plus A. Which shortcut key have enough? Control plus A. Then which command will you use to bring the copied cells to another location? We'll use the paste command. And which pager formats your worksheet in a preset format? Just we have done now this auto format feature. Now to edit a cell, which key will you use to would you press from the keyboard? That is F2. If you want to edit in a cell, we use this F2, or we can just simply click on the double click on the cell which we want to edit. Double click also and traga on the keyboard is F2 named. Now when fill in the blanks, when the mouse is placed over the row header, down arrow appears. This is down arrow appears. Then number 2, undo is used to reverse the last action performed. Okay, if you cannot see here also, listen carefully. Reverse the last action performed. Undo is used to reverse the last action performed. Number 3 is this is the border button. This is the border button. Just we have done this is also we have done just now how to apply border to a cell or a range of cells. Now number 4, the series based data is entered in the worksheet with the help of series is autofill handle. This is also just we have done now. Now next, tick the correct statement and cross the incorrect ones. A row and a column can be resized in Excel. That is correct. Now the height of a row and the width of a column can be changed with the help of a mouse only. Now this is false. Yes, it can be changed with a mouse, but we can, using the steps, using the options given there, we can also change the height of a row and the width of a column. Akoina sigi height ka row gasi mana haisi only mouse season katang yai habani. Yes, yai mouse season aji yai. Do mouse season adabida akoina tongana oina akoina isana hapcharaga manually hapcharaga keyboard tagi manually hapcharaga enter toraga sembasu yai ba. Aduna only mouse na yai habasi lale habani. Mouse na yade habani nate ko. Mouse na ju yai adu with the help of a mouse only habagi lale haba. Mouse katana dang yai habani nate mouse na tabda ju koina season na yai ba. Magi so na pi ba option bita season na ju yai ba mouse na traga ju. Okay. Mouse na ju yai mouse na traga ju yai man sa mouse na katang yai habani na si lale habani cross. Cut and paste commands are used to move entries from one worksheet to another. Yes, true, correct. One can complete a series in Excel if its first few numbers are given. Yes, it is also true. Now click the first and the last number along with the shift key to select multiple rows. Yes, this is also correct. The first key, the first and the last row though, along with the shift key season multiple rows natraga multiple columns so gaya kana select we season A. Now here ends our chapter number 7. More on MS Excel 2010. So all the best for your second terminal. Okay, you should prepare well and you should, whatever I have given you, whatever I have given the textual exercise as well as the extra questions which I have given. For some chapters I have given the extra questions also. You should prepare well. Aina sana extra question amasung textual pigibasindu boida loin nana sinduoga sana need and clean sinduoga thamo haibu thamo. Aduga second terminal gi chapter number 4, 5, 6 and 7 4 chapters ni ko sigi paba hawa phajana paramane haina su khali adu need and clean the extra question as well as the textual exercise do notebook ta sinjalaga thamo. If schools na open taragadi sana loin ma amuk check togodune. Okay. Okay, let's end it here today. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy.